Today we're pleased to introduce the USDA E2 rated Workhorse brand foam soap that can be used to refill these dispensers. So what you'll need is some of the foam soap. We recommend it in the gallon because 1 gallon will almost fill 2,000 milliliter dispensers. That way the gallon doesn't have to travel all around the plant. So we recommend buying it by the gallon, and we recommend the BPD pump kit to refill. And let's show you how that works. Simply install the pump onto your Workhorse E2 foaming soap. Open up your current dispenser. Now the first time you do this, you'll need to drill a 3/8 inch hole in the top of this. We'll use that to refill the cartridge, and an earplug serves to fill that hole almost perfectly. So before we pull the earplug out, we're going to go ahead and wipe down up here. Even though these soaps kill 99.9% of germs, it doesn't hurt to be safe. I'm going to pull that out. We're now going to remove this and take the cap off. Again, we're going to wipe it down. We're simply going to insert this into here. We recommend leaving about 1 inch to 1.5 inches of airspace at the top to ensure the foam doesn't come out. And if you leave that amount of space, 1 gallon will fill 2,000 milliliter dispensers. At this point in time, we're going to remove the pump. Again, we're going to wipe it down. Reinsert the cap. That goes on here. Again, we're going to take a sanitizing wipe. We're going to clean off the top area. Again, we're going to clean off the plug. Insert the plug and seal it up. So today we've shown you how the new Workhorse USDA E2 rated foam soap works well in this foaming dispenser, but we want you to know that it'll work well in any foaming dispenser. Thank you for watching today, and please call us if you have any questions.
For more information, please visit our website at bunzlpd.com or give us a call at 1-800-456-5624.